Here's some Hoover Dam trivia. Subscribe. In which U.S. state is Hoover Dam located? Is it A, Nevada, B, Utah, C, California, or D, Arizona? The correct answer is A, Nevada. What river does Hoover Dam cross? Is it A, Colorado River, B, Snake River, C, Mississippi River, or D, Columbia River? The correct answer is A, Colorado River. When was Hoover Dam officially completed? Is it A, 1936, B, 1940, C, 1929, or D, 1955? The correct answer is A, 1936. Who was the U.S. president during its construction? Is it A, William Howard Taft, B, Franklin D. Roosevelt, C, Calvin Coolidge, or D, Theodore Roosevelt? The correct answer is B, Franklin D. Roosevelt. What is the height of Hoover Dam in feet? Is it A, 500 feet, B, 600 feet, C, 800 feet, or D, 726 feet? The correct answer is D, 726 feet. Which lake was created by Hoover Dam? Is it A, Lake Havasu, B, Lake Mead, C, Lake Tahoe, or D, Lake Superior? The correct answer is B, Lake Mead. What was Hoover Dam originally called? Is it A, Colorado River Dam, B, Grand Canyon Dam, C, Boulder Dam, or D, Lake Mead Dam? The correct answer is C, Boulder Dam. How long is the top of Hoover Dam? Is it A, 1,200 feet, B, 1,000 feet, C, 1,500 feet, or D, 1,044 feet? The correct answer is D, 1,044 feet. In what year did construction of the dam begin? Is it A, 1933, B, 1942, C, 1931, or D, 1929? The correct answer is C, 1931. Which engineering company was the main contractor for Hoover Dam? Is it A, Turner Construction, B, Kiewit Corporation, C, Six Companies, Inc., or D, Fluor Corp.? The correct answer is C, Six Companies, Inc. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.